Hello everybody. If you don't notice, I got glasses. So yeah, I got glasses now. I kind of don't feel different at all. I feel totally normal. Yeah, I just wanted to make this announcement. Oh my gosh. Me before, after, before, after. I feel so much, I look so much smarter like this. I don't know why. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Okay, so now the whole video is about me showing you guys my new car. My new car, I think you guys already saw it in the background. So, yeah. Let me show you my car. Okay, this is... Oop, that's not it. That's my car. You like it? So, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like my new car. I'm gonna get a lot of thumbs down. So yeah. Hope you guys loved, liked, subscribe. Yeah. So I hope you liked the video. Bye!